Hello guys, this is Umakant. I just wanted to narrate you one story, important story, which will give you a strong confidence in your life that there is a universal force which is protecting people, and there is a universal force which is protecting you. There is a universal force which protects everyone in this area, in this planet. So, what is the story all about? There was a man, he was a devotee. He used to pray to God every day. He used to use incenses, he used to use flowers, he used to give fruits, and he used to do the uh, puja to Lord every day. But he had an intention in his mind that someday I would need a guru who can give me a mantra, and by using this mantra, I'll achieve something great in my life. So all the time he waited for such a guru who could deliver him a very beautiful mantra. We generally call it as mantra upadesha. So he was ardent and he was looking for some mantra diksha from a guru. Mantra diksha is like, you get a mantra from a guru and you need to recite this every day. So one day came, a master came into his village and he saw this person. He just went running to this master and asked him, "Oh, master, I'm just surrendering in your feet. I need one mantra so that, I want to improve my life. I want to elevate myself into spirituality. Can you kindly help me? Oh, master, please help me." He requests by saying these words, and the other day, the guru was very much happy by looking into the plea of this devotee. He told him, "Please come tomorrow, just take a bath and come tomorrow, and I'll give you a mantra. And this would be quite different from all the mantras which I have given to all other people. But yes, I'm sure this mantra will work for you." So he was quite excited about these things, and he went running back home. He told his wife that I met a master and I'm just happy about this. And next day morning, he took a bath and went to this master once again. So the master told him, "Come here. I'm not just going to give you a mantra like all other masters are doing, but you need to do what I say to you. So don't deviate from my words. You need to follow, because the master words are like, one which changes the life. So are you ready to follow?" So he said, "Yes, master, whatever you say, I'm ready to do." He said that only one thing, just believe, just tell to people. You don't have to recite any mantra, but whenever you meet people, tell them there is God. There is God, and He is looking on to you. So you have to tell only one word, that is, there is God. So he did the same thing, and you need to tell this mantra to 9 different people every day, and at different situations which you may encounter. So initially, this devotee was quite surprised, and he was looking here and there, confused also. Why should I say that God is there? God is there. What is this mantra? I could not understand. But yes, the master told him to do the same thing. So he thought of repeating the same thing again and again. So once he went back to his home, he saw his wife, and wife came running to him and said, and she was complaining that, neighbors are fighting with me. What should I do? He said, "Yes, wait, be calm. God is there." Now, when he went out, two people were fighting. He just stopped that and told them, "God is there." So they stopped fighting. Then he was going into a street, and some people were hitting a dog with a stone. He told to them, "God is there." So the people, they went away. Then he saw some other people coming to him, and they were complaining about the rules of the society and rules of that village. He just replied to them calmly, "God is there." So, to all the occasion, to all the situations, and all the conditions which we are facing at the time, this person was telling only one thing: God is there. And he repeated the same for 9 times a day, and he did for 9 days. And after completing this Guru mantra, which Guru has given him, and which he asked him to follow for 9 days, he completed this, and he went back to his master and told him that he did this. So the master asked him only one thing: "What did you understand? And what is your experience by doing this mantra?" So this man said, "In any given situation, oh master, now I had in my heart, I have built a strong faith that in any given situation, God is there with me and He's observing everything of my life. And I'm feeling a complete level of confidence that For every act I'm doing, He is there with me. This mantra which you have given has built this confidence in my heart that God is there and He is looking and watching and helping me in all the activities which I am performing. So I'm completely satisfied, Guru, O Master, by your mantra, and I follow this while performing all the activities of my life. So this is a very great, profound mantra, which one has to repeat every time. That yes, there exists one force, that is God, and if you do every activity believing that yes, there exists one force which is God, I think your life will be completely transformed, and your life will be completely changed, and you will see a world in a different perspective. Yes, I too believe that God is there. Bye, 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 guys. I'll catch up in my next video speaking about life. Bye.